In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Italian on Google Translate. To begin, open the Google Translate app on your phone. When it launches, you should see the main Translate screen with two language buttons at the top, your source language on the left and your target language on the right. Below that, there is a large text box where you usually type or paste words to translate, and at the bottom, a row of icons for different input options. If you do not see this layout, check that you open the official Google Translate app and not a different translation tool. Once the app is open, we will look for Italian. From here, tap the language button on the right side so you can choose the language you want to download. A list of languages appears, often with a search bar at the top and a long alphabetical list below. In that list, either scroll down until you find Italian or use the search bar at the top and type the word Italian. When you type, the list filters in real time, so Italian should appear as one of the first results. Now, find the download icon next to Italian. You should see the word Italian with a small arrow pointing down next to it. That arrow means the language is available to store on your device. Tap that download arrow icon once. A small panel or pop-up appears, showing the approximate file size so you know how much space it will use on your phone. On some devices, the icon may briefly change color, showing that the tap was registered. Next, confirm that you really want to download it. On the pop-up, tap the button labeled Download to confirm. After you tap Download, the panel closes and you return to the language list. The arrow icon next to Italian now usually changes into a small spinning circle or a progress indicator. This visual change is the sign that the download request has started and the app is now fetching the offline language data to your phone. After that, wait until the download finishes. During this time, keep the Google Translate app open and avoid disconnecting from the internet. You may see the progress circle slowly complete or the word downloaded appear next to Italian once it is done. On some phones, the circle simply disappears and the arrow icon is replaced with a small check mark. If your connection is slow, this can take longer, especially if other apps are also using data in the background. With that ready, Italian is now available even for offline translation. You will know it worked because Italian stays in your language list with a downloaded label or a check mark, and you can select it even when your phone is in airplane mode. You have just downloaded Italian for Google Translate, so you can translate to and from Italian without needing an internet connection. So if this helped you get set up for offline Italian, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick guides like this.